In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Base44 app on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type app.base44.com and press enter. Once the website loads, make sure you're logged in to your Base44 account. Next, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Page as App from the sub-menu. A pop-up window will appear at the top of the screen. Click the Install button to continue. After that, the Base44 app window will open automatically. You can also check your desktop where the Base44 app icon will be created automatically. You can double-click the icon anytime to open the app directly without opening your browser first. You can now use Base44 on your PC to manage your account, track performance, check earnings, or access other features available on the platform. And that's it.